welcome back to Makayla's Playground. Today we're going to open up an LOL Surprise Carpool Coupe. I'm back with my mommy.
Hi everyone.
We have a visitor. Ava!
This is Ava.
I showed her on my channel once, so I think she really wants to open this, right?
That means yes. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. And
what are you doing?
we're gonna go ahead and open this up. It's the Carpool Coupe. I'm gonna use the scissors to cut the box for her. Want me to hold the baby while you open it?
Yeah, and guess what? So if she's thirsty, I got her latch bottle.
Okay, so everyone knows the reason why Mommy's fanning herself is because it's like 80 degrees outside.
Okay, so
And Makayla wants her sweater.
So we have a box. So let's open this up first. So we have this little girl.
Here. Very cute for this.
This is very hard to get out.
So it has one. Whoa.
Okay,
It
well,
has one
this is
Carpool
the rubbish
Coupe.
box, so goodbye, box.
Are you sure there's nothing else in there?
Nope.
Okay.
Goodbye, box.
Okay, so one Carpool Coupe, one exclusive doll with outfit, shoes, sunglasses, and bottle, and one cup
And
holder.
look at,
So
yeah.
this is the Carpool.
there's stuff in here, guys. Can you hear that? Yeah. If you do, give it a like. Give it a like if you hear it.
Oh.
What?
Oh, am I smashing her hand? Sorry. She's adjusting the baby. So guys, Makayla has really been taking care of this like a real baby.
Oh, it has a lot of bags in here.
So that means Mommy
it has a
and Grandma are tired, huh?
Like,
What happened?
guys, instant replay.
Rubbish. Okay. Is that what it is?
And also
Wait.
rubbish.
Rubbish. Sorry, Ava. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, sorry.
Don't smash her arm. Oh, let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. Rubbish.
Hold on, let's read instructions. So that's cute. So these are the headlights.
How do you
Just
open
push it.
it? So let's. Oh, it is the other seat.
Okay,
Wait.
so
Oh my goodness! Look it.
this
Look
side.
at mommy.
Okay. Oh,
Oh,
what's that?
Yeah, so they can sit.
Oh, so they can sit and have a car and have a pool party in the back. Okay. Can you open her up? So it's saying that once you flash the headlights on her, the back of her lights up. You're so vocal today. Where's the rest of her clothes? Oh,
I think that's it.
so she had this. So this is the doll.
Let's see what. Oh, and there's our bottle.
That's a cute one.
We have to
Her
see
little
if she
bottle.
pees,
And
spits,
on it it says.
color change, or cry.
So here she is, Miss Cool Carpool. Here, let's see. So you want to open up the other bags while I get this opened up. So the lights turn
I
on.
thought it was a convertible car. Is it a convertible?
It is.
That's
So
funny.
this goes here, back here.
Did I open all the bags?
I think so. Here's her cup. Okay.
Fancy.
Fancy.
Oh,
Okay.
rubbish.
Are you sure?
Rubbish.
Are you sure? Here, you're supposed to do this. Look at. So it says to put the checkered glasses on her, and then let's put this up and reveal.
Oh, this is also a dance floor. So
We could have a party. Okay, maybe it's not what I don't want. What? So I think it goes like this first. It goes this way. Let me see. That way.
and then you can just.
And then you do that. Beep, beep, beep.
Oh, I think you had to do that.
And we do this. And then, so guys, so
Look at how fancy
that up with water.
Wait, did it? I thought it had a lot of LOLs in it.
No, the picture shows a lot of LOLs.
You're telling me I had a lot of LOLs.
You have a lot of LOLs in there.
Okay, let me get some. I found a Blippi toy.
Blippi. Okay. You guys, I always end up playing with the LOL stuff. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Okay, so these are their chairs.
Look at their twinnies.
We have twins.
We have twin birds.
Sort of. Okay.
Fit some clothes on.
Okay, so then
So guys, look at what we got. This bunch of LOL.
Okay, so I think that's it. I think we set it up. Oh, and her glasses. There we go. Okay, so now
I think this is our.
we're gonna have a pool party.
Is
So
this
I'm gonna pull up and.
Ah!
Oh.
Oops.
Ooh. There's a bird, a baby, and two owls.
This
Very
is my
cute.
baby sister, Poppy. Oh, is that a background? That looks like a background.
No, it's just the camera.
That looks
Poop.
like a boop. That looks like a background made
Yeah.
of this. So, guys, let's try, but we have to be careful because we're standing. Poppy! So let's turn. Guys, I have an idea. Let's turn on the light so it can be more brighter.
Ooh.
And it can even go down. Turn off the light. And it even has this little thing. Oh, see? The bird!
The bird keeps flying away.
Oh, it can go on the cup. So no, so she's not here because her head broke. It broke off. So let's put her. Let's put the Tweety bird right here. How about let's have an ice lolly? Great idea. That's good, Poppy, huh?
Okay, what do you want to tell them about the car?
It's very amazing and I love this. I actually really quite like this. Bye guys, I hope you enjoy my channel. If you want to watch another LOL surprise Carpool Coupe Makayla video, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right here. Remember to give it a like, subscribe, click the bell. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoy my channel. Bye and thank you and stay healthy too. And get a pretty tweet tweet.